Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra and once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to tell you how you can integrate the swipe gesture and tap gesture in your iOS application with Swift 5 programming language. It's very simple, so let's begin with development without wasting any time. So guys, from here I am creating one new fresh project called as swipe example. Okay. From here click on next button, click on create button. This is your main storyboard. Okay, so this is your main storyboard. On this storyboard I am going to integrate the swipe gesture. So how we can achieve that? First of all, open your view controller and here you need to do some coding for that. Okay, first of all I will integrate the tap gesture, single finger, double finger, four finger, three finger, five finger. How much you want you can create. So first of all the line is that I will call as single tap. After that UI tap gesture recognizer, and here you have to pass target and selector. So my target is self and selector I will create one function. So F4 single finger. Okay, now I will create this function over here at objc private function, and here I will give this function over here. Now whenever I will click on the screen, then this function will trigger, and here I am printing single tap. Okay, now second thing what you have to attach with single tap, and it's like that. Sorry, single tap dot number of tap required. Here we required only single one. Single tap dot number of touches required, means if you would like to make a single finger tap then pass 1, if you would like to make double finger tap then pass 2, and if you would like to make 3 finger, 4 finger, then pass whatever you would like to integrate in your application. So for this project I am going to integrate one single finger tap. Now I will assign this tap gesture to my view. So here it is self dot view dot, and here add gesture recognizer. I am going to attach single tap, and before that I will make self dot view dot is user interaction enable true. Okay, now after that I will keep this line at the very top, and now I will run my application and see the output. Now the screen in front of me, I am clicking on single finger. So here you can see single tap will came. I am clicking on double finger, nothing came. Double finger, nothing came. If I click only single tap, then it will come. Now the thing is double finger, so I will copy this and I will repaste, and here I will make it where. Okay, now from here you can pass 2, and this I will make one separate function called as 2 finger tap. I will copy and paste, and over here I will replace the name of the function. Here it is, and here I will pass 2 finger tap. Okay, so now I will run again and we will see the output. Single finger, double finger, single finger, double finger. Okay, now swipe gesture. Okay, how we can integrate swipe gesture? So let swipe equals UI swipe gesture, and here you have to pass the same thing, target which is self, action which is selector, and here we can say swipe, tap for swipe. Okay, tap for swipe, and I will recreate this function same way at objc private function, and this is like that. Here it will be private function. Okay, so now swipe dot direction, here I'll give swipe up. Here all the direction you will find down, left, right, up. Whatever you would like to integrate you can. So first of all I will integrate down. Okay, now I will add this gesture to my view. Okay, and here I will look forward for one single property dot touches, number of touches required. Means if you would like to make 2-finger swipe down, then you can integrate 4-finger, 3-finger, 1-finger. Okay, it's up to you. By default it will take single finger tap. Okay, now self dot view dot add gesture recognizer, and here I will pass swipe. Okay, now I will see print, or here we will pass swipe down. Okay, now let's see the output. I'm swiping down. Yes, it is working. Swipe up, it's not working. Swipe right, it's not working. Swipe left, it's not working. So guys, single finger double tap, swipe down, we have done. Now how you can integrate the same function for multiple purpose? Now let's suppose we have to integrate all the way down, left, right, then how you can use single function for all the way? So here you have to pass the sender, and it will be type of UISwipeGesture. Okay, swipe gesture recognizer. Now over here we can find if sender dot direction equals dot down, then swipe down will come. Okay, else if same for sender dot direction double equals dot up, then swipe up will come. Swipe up. Same for swipe left, right. I'll copy, and here left, left, right, and this is also right. Now I'll copy this code, and over here I'm going to integrate where. So here it will be where, so we can make it mutable. Okay, and it will be up. Same for here and here, and the touches direction we can say 1 1. Now again I will run and I will see the output. Swipe up, swipe down, swipe left, swipe right. So guys, it's working as expected. If you have any doubt related to this, then please comment it to the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel contains lots of video related to Swift development, like for example how you can integrate CL location manager in your iOS application with Swift 5 programming language, how you can design your own card view, how you can refresh data into the table view, how you can animate UI tab bar, and many more things, many more topics you will find on my YouTube channel. So I hope you will like and you will subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Keep coding, keep boosting your skills. Bye bye.